Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Overland Garage, and today we're talking about the injectors I put in this bad boy from injectorsdirect.com. So one of the things that I get asked sometimes is, what are you guys using for injectors in this particular application? This is a 2001 LB7 duramax with the 6.6, and we opted for a website on eBay. And you're thinking, why eBay? Well, in the price range that we had, eBay seemed to be the best option, and I took a risk. I'm not gonna lie, I took a big risk by going the eBay route. And there's a lot of other good websites that have injectors, but I wanted to do some research, and I just found that there's this website on eBay called Injectors Direct. They have their own website, but they do sell through eBay. And so I did some research, and I found out that by talking to one of the guys that deals with their eBay orders, Cole, that they're pretty reputable, and they're real easy to deal with. And so that's who I went with. When I first ordered the parts, they have a couple of options you can do. They do core return first, so you return your cores in advance, or you can purchase the items and return your cores later. You pay a $100 core charge. Now, in my benefit, I was already taking the truck part, so it was just easier for me to return the cores in advance. And it made me a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't want to return the cores and then be like, oh, now what? Now I don't have any injectors, this isn't even legit. But they did. They sent me the parts. They were great, they were packaged great, and as you can see from the pictures here that we're showing, that they came nicely packaged, they had caps over everything, they were well protected, well boxed, and I'm super happy with them. Now, if you're new to doing injectors in the LB7, in my case, the 01 generation, the biggest thing for me was I was already taking the cab off, and because I had the cab off, it made it super easy and accessible to do the injectors. If you have to do this job with the cab on, there are quite a few challenges that are presented, such as the valve covers will probably most definitely hit the firewall, and you're going to be dealing with a lot of bolts that are on the back side of the motor, real tight to the firewall, that you're going to be really difficult to get apart. So if you can take the cab off, I do recommend doing that. Yes, it's a process, but it's worth it. And then towards the end of the installation of these injectors, I was skeptical that I was going to have other issues with the engine itself. So check the injector cups. They do sell an entire kit. I mean, this website's great. They literally sell all kinds of parts for LB7, Power Stroke, Cummins diesel, you name it, they've got it. So injectorsdirect.com did a really well job at getting me the parts that I needed in a really quick manner, and they're 100% quality. I mean, hands down, probably the most inexpensive, budget-friendly, and performance-driven website I found yet. So I'm going to show you a video here, short clip here of the before. I had lots of smoking issues. I had lots of drivability problems. I was getting fuel leaks, detected codes all the time, and then I'm going to give you a now. So without that, I'm going to show you the before and the after. as you could tell from that video and those 2 videos before, I had some definite drivability problems as a result of the failing injectors, and now you can tell there's no excessive idle surge, there's no loss of power. You can tell it's just idling nice, the balance rates are nice, and truck is really responsive, runs great. Actually really responsive. So thank you guys over at injectorsdirect.com. You can probably tell in the background the truck's a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a reveal video, so that video is going to be popping up probably up here, or continue to check out the channel because we're putting new content on there every week. Continue to like and subscribe to our channel and become a supporter. We are now monetized, and you can now become a member of our channel where we have members only content. So thank you guys for supporting us, and continue to join in and support Overland Garage. Until next time, I'm Ben, and this has been Overland Garage.